Good morning, everybody. Hubby here with Just About Anything Garage. I thought I'd do a quick PSA, project service announcement. What I got for you isn't long enough to do it behind the scenes, and it really isn't about behind the scenes what you do with your automobiles, but it's kind of related to it, okay? So let's do a quick PSA on it. What you hear in the background is the whine of my diesel heater going because, yeah, it's November 9th. It's chilly. It's chilly. We're going to take some of the chill off of the shop. But anyways, we need to get cleaned up in the yard so that we don't build mold up during the winter, because we got a bunch of leaves here. It's autumn and it's dropped. So I went and I got this Vevor lawn sweeper. And this isn't about the assembly of that. I mean, it's fairly straightforward, no problem. What it is what you do with some of the packing material, right? So they had these styrofoam pieces that were stuffed in just to stop it. Keep this stuff, guys, for your auto stuff. It comes in handy when you're trying to build. You need curved pieces to fit in somewhere. You got to cushion something. Maybe it's in your interior where you got a little spot where it's, you know, where the foam is broken down, but you don't want to pull and do the whole thing. You can cut little pieces out of that and do that and keep all that type of stuff. So I keep a lot of that packing stuff. I got a lot of it upstairs. Some of it have been the corners, the hard fiberglass or cardboard corners that have come. I keep that because if you throw a little fiberglass, you throw a little epoxy over the top, it makes really good side molds and pieces that you can put in and use to get good sharp corners and do everything. So PSA, project service announcement. Keep that stuff, file that stuff on the side, use it in your projects. Helps you reduce costs, and it comes out really nice in a lot of that too, okay? So I just wanted to throw that at you real quick. Hope you guys have a great day and keep your eyes open. We're gonna do a couple things. We got the C30 project up and rolling again, and we're getting that thing ready to go in terms of the rollback bed. And we're gonna chunk that into, like, I don't know, 45-minute, 50-minute pieces so that you can easily watch it. And we're gonna do a drop on the Corvette video that we did, the 2 hour one. We're gonna break that up a little bit into a couple sections and send it so it's a little bit easier to look at. So anyways, thanks guys, we appreciate you. Just thought I'd give you that quick PSA.